Hello, I am Dr. Vijay Bhaskar Nori. I am the Chief Radiologist and Director of Vista Imaging and Medical Center, Hyderabad. In this context, I can tell you that I have been well trained in especially in cardiac imaging and also the hepatobiliary imaging, and most of the major hospitals, including all specialist doctors, have high confidence in my diagnosis and take my help in most of their working of the difficult cases, and also take my guidance in treating their patients. So, this can be achieved only with continuous pursuit in upgrading the technology, developing the technology, upgrading the knowledge, and also keeping abreast of all the advances that are happening in the world. In the pursuit of giving the best technology available across the world to the people of Hyderabad, I have started training the students, especially radiology students, in the high-end technology, and I conduct regularly CME program, that is continuous medical education programs, training courses, updates, and refresher programs for students in radiology and also consultants. Many of the consultants have come to me and come to our center and got trained with us in specialized cardiac and abdominal imaging, which has helped them to become better radiologists. I also conduct a lot of seminars and conferences all over India, and I am a speaker of national level, and also conduct and give lectures in many international conferences. There are many research programs that are going on in latest advances in radiology in collaboration with our center, and some of the best institutes in Hyderabad are our collaborators in this research project. We have also been attached to Mayo Clinic in diagnosis of liver diseases through MR elastography, and we collaborate with Mayo Clinic in trying to give a better patient diagnosis and come to a reasonable level of diagnosis in a particular case.